Hello everybody and welcome back to a new nerDEytalk tech review. Today I want to show you the Apple Watch demo done by the news agent Pipes, developer of a news app. Apparently I don't use it, I haven't used it before. I guess it's more of an American thing. But if you just go into your browser or find the link in the video description below and go to www.demoapplewatch.com, you will get to this page. It takes pretty much forever to load, so bring some time. And as soon as you're on the page, you can see all the social media buttons. Of course, they want you to share it as many times as possible. And what you can do right here is you have 19 apps to click on to interact with. You can tap the digital crown to return to the home screen and have some fun with the Apple Watch interface. If you just scroll down, you can see what Pipes will look like on the Apple Watch display, but we will get to that in a couple of minutes anyway. And you have those 4 buttons right here, so you can launch Pipes. Of course, we can do that ourselves by clicking on the screen. You can view glances, demo the push notifications, and which is kind of interesting, I guess, you can add your own logo to Apple Watch, which I will do right now just for test purposes. It says recommended image size is 100 × 100 pixels in JPEG or PNG. I've got the app icon test right here. And what's pretty funny about that is here you can download the image, and now we have ourselves right here on the app display. I will just zoom in for you. And what you will see is, if you look really closely, is I chose a transparent background, so I don't think it's going to work that way when you do your own app later for Apple Watch with the Watch Kit that was introduced in iOS 8.1 recently, or sorry, 8.2 in the beta. So we all guessed that with the Apple Watch somewhere in February and March, the iOS 8.2 final version will be released. So right now you can see that everything around my own avatar is sort of transparent. I don't think it's gonna work that way, but yeah, it's a cool feature. If you're a developer yourself, you can try it out, make your own app icons, and have a little look what it looks like on the Apple Watch. So let's just close that down again. We will scroll back up and have a little look up here. What else do we have? Demo push notifications. Yes, we could do that. Let's just demo the push notifications. Here you can see after a Photoshop tour, oh, that's cool. Roger Federer ready for real India. He's here to play for 2 days. Okay. And you can view glances. Hello. We want to view glances. Okay. And from now on, I will just scroll in even further for you to make it as big of a screen as possible so you can see as much as possible. We don't need that lovely real steel bracelet, I guess. It looks good. It's actually, well, not my first choice, but probably my second choice. And yes, we know what's written right here. So we just have a look at the weather. Current weather in Cupertino is 72 degrees Fahrenheit. We have about 10 past 10. And now you can just scroll over to the left. Oh, sorry. Hang on. And we have measurable PlayStation 4, the 20th anniversary. PlayStation 4 looks amazingly awesome. Yes, it does, but I found a much better one, much better looking. Just look it up on Google. It looks amazing. It's like a wooden sort of design, and it's pretty awesome. Top stories, Apple Pay. After early successes, Apple Pay will soon confront holiday shopping bonanza. Yay! So that's about it, and we'll just tap the digital crown and go back to the home screen. We can't use the crown to scroll at that stage, but doesn't really matter. And here we have our favorite button that we can't use as well, so that all our favorites show up as you know them from the multitask screen on iOS 7 and 8. So let's just quickly go through the apps. I mean, there are 19 on here. You can just scroll over the screen. We already know what that looks like. And let's just have a look at some of the apps, or maybe all of them. We have, is it called Clash of Titans? I don't know, I haven't played the game. I know it's a game, so we can collect Dark Elixir. Okay, that's good. We have Passbook with Pipes, Walgreens, Delta Airlines. Yes, I've been flying with them as well. And we've got the MLB app with LA facing San Fran. We've got the Shazam app with, of course, A Sky Full of Stars by Coldplay. the song that will also play, I won't do it because I will get into trouble as soon as I upload that video here in Germany for our German viewers. If you open up the music app, you can see, yes, A Sky Full of Stars is actually playing right now. If we hit that play button, won't do it. You can press play and press pause. You can't skip forward. So that's the actual iPod interface. If you haven't seen it, or music interface, you can lower right here and raise the volume. Yes, we can even do that. I don't want to because I haven't pressed play, but doesn't matter. I guess right here on the top left corner we can see the actual playtime, and we'll just get back. You have the call app, because as you know, you can only use the Apple Watch with an iPhone sort of attached to it via, I guess, Bluetooth. You need an iPhone 5 or later to use it. So Apple told us all that before, and there should be some kind of offline mode or something, I don't know. So you might get a chance of actually using, for example, the fitness tracker over here without the iPhone attached. I don't know, maybe something else, but there should be some kind of, as I said, offline mode. 312 of our 600 calories goal today. I'm pretty sure I haven't used that much by now because I just got out of bed, but doesn't really matter. We all know what that looks like. They can also count your steps, your pulse, heartbeat monitoring, and all that sort of stuff. And we have the Lutron app. I guess that's what it's called. It's used with the HomeKit that was introduced in iOS 8 as well. So it looks like you left home and your living room lights are still on. Please turn the lights off. So remote control over your home electrical devices on the go. Pretty nice. It's getting more and more basic nowadays, but yeah, still something I haven't looked into at all because we don't use it right here. We've got the settings app that you can't scroll through, unfortunately. It says tap here, airplane mode, Bluetooth, pipes, iPhone. Of course, we are actually paired to some sort of iPhone, and the do not disturb. There are more settings, but as I said, we can't scroll down, so we just go back to the home screen. We have the remote app, I guess, that says pipes as well. No idea why. Whoops.
Welcome to Pipes.
Okay, I should scroll.
A news application that allows you to track things you love.
It's just
Kim Kardashian, Mark Zuckerberg.
Great. No, didn't want to see that. So we'll just scroll back in and go back to the home screen where we have the watch kit, or the actual watch app next. So we see the fitness tracker that we can click on right here. That is what the app should look like, or the Apple Watch display when we just raise our wrist. It should actually activate the watch app to have a look at the time. You can switch out the actual design, so you can choose between different watch interfaces. You have the alarm down here in the bottom left corner. You have something else, I guess the stopwatch up here, and I don't know, is that the moon phase or something? Probably, it might be. So Tuesday 9th, no, that's not true as well, but doesn't matter. It's a lovely interface, actually, I like it. I would use it as well, but you can choose whatever you want. You can also switch out the desktop wallpaper, so to speak, or the background wallpaper. We have the Pipes app, as I said. We've got the pipeline and what's hot. I don't want to get into it because, as I said, I don't know the app at all on the iPhone, so yeah, no one cares. We've got the weather in San Fran. Yes, it should be pretty nice in San Francisco today. Partly cloudy right now. We've already saw that on glances. We've got the maps. Pretty nice. Pipes headquarter. Clear or start the navigation. Can we start it? No, we can't. Okay. So pretty cool feature here for all of you who didn't get that during the keynote. You will have a taptic feedback implemented into the back of the watch that will, by tapping your wrist, tell you where to go next. So right or left if you use it in, of course, only if you use the walking navigation mode. And yeah, I think that's pretty interesting to see how that works and how good that actually works. But that's one interesting thing about the Maps and Navigation app. We have mail right here, so you can scroll down and see your mails on the iPhone. Pipes advertisement plan, and lets you track the things you actually Of course, more cross promotion. And we have the I don't know exactly what that is supposed to be. Preneel. Okay, Preneel. I guess that's the contact. So is that the messages app or something? I don't know. Hey, I'm home. You? Oh, that's great. How's the road trip? Oh, send me pictures. Yes, here are some pictures. Great. No idea what it really should be. And, oh, some stocks, of course. Pipes News is doing pretty well. And we've got charges. What is that? Ah, okay, so sports, obviously. Bash the New England Patriots. Ooh, New England Patriots. So that would be AFL, actually. Super Bowl's coming up as well. Looking forward to that. What do we have here? Oh, that's a little Easter egg. I didn't know which app it was, but I actually saw that coming. The app has crashed. Press the digital crown to return to the home screen. I hope we don't see that in the final product at any time, especially with iOS 8 being really, really buggy at that stage. Pipes News again. Okay, no idea. Is it Pinterest or something? That's basically it, guys. If you liked the video, I think there was quite a lot to see. It doesn't really give you the feeling of swiping over the screen yourself. Definitely not. But I think it still looks pretty good, sorry. I like the presentation of the keynote already, and I'm kind of hyped for the final release somewhere, as I said, in February or March. That's what we are expecting as for today. I have no clue at the actual release date, but yeah, we're still waiting, and I hope you liked the video. If so, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more software reviews, tech reviews, unboxings, and that sort of stuff. There are quite a few to come in the future. And click next or last episode to see some more videos we've already released back in the days. And I see you next time here on nerDEytalk. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.